Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Tado Smart Radiator Thermostat. And that's pretty easy. Just slide it out. Let's take a look inside. So here says installation information, and here's the beautiful thing. Pretty cool. Okay, put it to the side. What do we have here? Okay, adapters. I think I have the right size on my radiator to just fit it with this without the adapters. And what else do we have in here? Nothing. Okay, that was quick. So I'm going to hook it up to my bridge. I already ordered the new version to get HomeKit, so the Apple support going. Yeah, but that was quite quick for an unboxing. I don't think I will leave it like that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.